Now here's two kitchen plans, and the extensions is the shaded area, right? The shaded area are the extensions. How many extra square meters would Neve have if she uses plan 1 instead of plan 2? So our plan is to get the area of this extension here, and then get the area for the plan 2 extension, and subtract plan 2 from plan 1. So the extension area there you see is 4 high. This guy is 4 meters this way and 6 meters across. So to get the area of that rectangle there, extension 1 area is equal to the 4 multiplied by the 6. That's 24 square meters. And for plan 2, extension 2, well, the area is a bit more tricky here because we have 2 triangles. So it's equal to the area of triangle plus the other triangle, 2 triangles, right? So look at this triangle here, or look at this one here, say it's 6 meters across. What are we going to do now? We have to figure out, this is like the base of this triangle, and we need the height, which is this length here, and that's just going to be the 7. You see, you have the 7. How are we going to get that now? Well, we need that, and we also need this guy across this way, like the base of this triangle, the small triangle. So that one anyway is 9 take away the 6. Do you see that? Because the length, this box here across, is going to be 3 meters. So the area of this small triangle here is going to be half the base, so that's half multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. So 6 multiplied by a half, and that's going to be 3 square meters. And then to get the height of this guy, yeah, you see it's 7 from here to here. Take away the 3 and that leaves us with 4 meters here for this guy up here. So the other triangle then is going to be half multiplied by the base 6 multiplied by the height 4. You know, the area of a triangle, one formula is half multiplied by the base multiplied by the height, because it's half of a rectangle. So that's 24 and half of that is 12. How many extra square meters would she have if she uses plan 1 rather than plan 2? Well, plan 1, oh yeah, plan 1 comes to 24 square meters, and plan 2 then comes to 3 plus 12 equals 15. So we're going to get our 24 from plan 1, take away the 15, and that leaves us with 9. She'll have 9 square meters extra in her extension if she goes for plan 1.